Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and I just want to start off with a quick question. Have you ever watched a YouTube channel that seemed like it was going very strong, and it just faded out of nowhere? The creator just completely stopped uploading content, and you just did not know why? This is one of the great mysteries of YouTube. You can see so many great channels that are going so strong that just start to end out of nowhere. One of the channels that I used to watch was McClemens. He was always reaching out to the community, trying to be very active and doing weekly giveaways. He was always making new content. Towards the end of his channel, you could see in his last few videos, he was starting to get frustrated. It seems like he was having a hard time with some of the comments, and also he was just getting very busy in his personal life. And I'm just curious if anyone has any information on what happened to him. He had a really great channel, and it's just a great mystery whatever happened to his channel. And what I'm going to do now is just share a quick clip of the last video that he uploaded over a year and a half ago.
Alright, welcome back to another video, everyone. Hope everyone's doing good. Thank you guys for all the continued support, even though my uploads are kind of scattered-brained just because of how hectic and crazy and contorted my schedule is right now. You guys are still showing love and support, and I'm glad a lot of you are commenting that you're learning something, that you like the way that I present my videos. 98% of the comments are great. You're always going to have those people who say, oh, you talk too much or this and that. Well, you don't gotta watch the video. You don't gotta even mind me no business. No matter what, you ain't gonna please everybody. My overall goal is to know that I've helped and that I am actually helping, even if it's just one person, and I know it's more than one person, and you guys have taught me a lot too. So thank you for all this continued support. I think we're at like 144 subscribers now, which is crazy. Never thought that many of you would, be interested. But I'm glad, you guys are learning, and like I said, that I've learned stuff.
So when you're checking out that clip, you can see that he was starting to get frustrated, and I just really encourage anyone that is in YouTube or making videos, just try not to pay attention to the comments too much. Just really enjoy making the videos because you like them, and just put yourself first. You are the creator, and you just want to just try to always put out the best content that you can have. It is just such a fun thing to do, and it is really fun to watch your channels grow. If anyone has any other channels that they would like to share that have just seemed to disappear out of nowhere, please leave them in the comments below. But I just highly encourage anyone, if you're ever getting frustrated with the creative process, always feel free to reach out to me. It is just a really fun thing to do, running the YouTube channel, and I encourage you to just keep doing it. It is just a really great thing to be able to share your thoughts with others and being able to interact with the community. Try not to pay too close attention to the negativity. No matter what you are doing, you'll always find people that are going to be negative. But what I'm going to do now is we're going to get started with this week's Locksport update. Thank you so much for checking out this week's Locksport update. This is a video series that I created so I can help update the community on some of the things that have gone on throughout the week. It is also a really great place for people to share and communicate with others in Locksport. If you have any updates that you would like to share, and especially ones you'd like to see in next week's Locksport update, please drop them in the comments below. I really enjoy reading them, and I'd really like to try to include any of your updates next week. So I'd first like to start off with, I was the lucky winner of Scruffy's 100th subscriber giveaway, and what I was able to win finally came in this week. What he sent me was this trioving padlock. It did not come with a key, but it is a pretty cool lock, and it will be very interesting to try to work on it and get a closer look at it. Scruffy, thank you so much for the very kind giveaway. It is a really cool lock, and I am very fortunate to have it. And if you haven't already checked out Scruffy, Scruffy is a guy that is continually making new videos. He has a pretty cool format, the way he films his videos. He often uses 2 camera angles. He is known for doing his 40 locks in 40-day video series where he filmed every single day, and I just cannot even comprehend being able to do that. He is always picking up some interesting locks, and he is a pretty interesting guy to meet. What I'd like to do is put a link up on the top here to his channel, and he is a really great guy and worth checking out. The next thing I'd like to go over with you guys is, if you are subscribed to Noob and you've clicked his notification bell, bell. You may have got an update from him over the last few days where he was asking his subscribers, do you think that he should change his channel name from Noob to LN-Lockpicking? I believe I've spoken with him about this in the past, and I think he is not a great fan of having the Noob part in his name because he is actually a pretty advanced picker and he has been doing a lot of great things. So he was just asking if you guys think if he should keep his name as Noob or change it to LN-Lockpicking. If you guys have any thoughts on that, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Personally, I feel like he should keep it as Noob. That's the brand that he's established, and I just think that is a really cool name to go by. I know that he is not a noob anymore, but I just think that is a really great name for a YouTube channel. But everyone, please just share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't checked out Noob already, he is a really talented picker. He has made so many great things for Sparrow lock picks. He has made a very cool tubular tension wrench. He has made custom pens, and he is always working very well with them. He's made some custom picks. He's just a very inventive guy and worth checking out. And I'll put a link up to his channel up here if you'd like to consider checking out and subscribing to him. Another thing is Jason Carlson has recently hit his 150th subscriber, and he has just completed his giveaway for that milestone. He is a really cool guy. He is getting really great at making and picking locks, and also he is just a really great guy and is talented at making lock picks. This is the psychedelic pick that he made me. I really enjoy it, and you've seen me feature it in a lot of my videos. I hope to do a review on this pick once I get some more time. I've just been very busy at work and at home, and he was able to make me this pick, and he made me a few more. He made me the Pink Flamingo pick for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and he also made me this Brown Derby pick. I do hope to feature these in their own video down the road, but I am just trying to find the time. But Jason Carlson is a really nice guy. He is really worth checking out, and I recommend that you just check out his channel. What I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here if you would like to check out his channel. Another cool video I saw this week is Bearsback. He's another great guy. He is always making and picking challenge locks. He's a really easy guy to contact, and he just made a pretty cool video this week about how to start to make challenge locks for beginners.
Well, hello, it's Bearsback. I'm going to do a short little piece together video for the new pickers, lock builders, mainly the new lock builders. So you guys don't make the same silly mistakes I've made. I'm doing pins right now for another lock I'm putting together, so I thought I'd just throw some stuff together for you.
I will put a link up to his channel here so you can check out that video. He is a really great guy worth checking out. And just another fun lock related thing, which I mentioned in my last Lock Sport update, is Pestilentz. Pestilentz is always showing off some older locks, and he just got in a lock from the Qing Dynasty that I mentioned in the last Lock Sport update, and I'd like to show you a quick clip of that lock that he got in.
Hello, Pestilentz here with another lock. This time, is an antique Chinese cast iron lock, which also has some bronze in it. It was slightly magnetic, so it may only be the shackle that's bronze, but the rest of it wasn't too magnetic.
If you'd like to see some really cool older locks, I recommend you check out Pestilentz. He is a really great guy. Also, one thing, I just want to remind Tumblr, I did promise you last week that I would send you back your multi-lock 7x7. I have not forgotten. I just apologize. I've just been extremely busy at work and I haven't had time, but I am going to send this out today. So by the time this video comes out, you may already have this lock back, but thank you again for being so kind to lend this to me. And one fun thing is the board lockpicker. He has several channels and he's always doing something fun. If you want to watch the board lockpicker cooking a steak, you can see him playing with his air fryer on his other channel, Russ JO2, and I'm just going to put a quick clip of that just for the fun of it.
Hey everybody, in this video we're going to air fry a T-bone steak here. No parchment paper for this one or anything, just going right in there. I'm going to let it go another 6 minutes here, and hopefully this makes it like medium. I guess we'll find out here in a few minutes. Alright, so let's see what we got here. A little bloody, which I like. Alright, that's like probably medium well, I guess. A little more done than I like, so maybe a little bit less time would be better for me. But yeah, pretty easy to do, and cleanup will be real easy too. Looks like you can almost just rinse it out. So since I didn't season it or anything, I'm going to get some steak sauce or ketchup or something.
But either way, guys, this is all I have for you today. This has just been a very quick Locksport update. I just really try to do my best to try to look through all the videos throughout the week and just being able to share some of the great stuff that is going on in the community. We have a really great community. Everyone is always making some really cool videos. We are very closely connected, and I just really enjoy the way our community is, and I'm very happy to be able to do my part to try to highlight the really positive parts of the Locksport community. But either way, guys, this has been my Locksport update. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you all have a great day, and just thank you so much for checking this out. And if you'd like to check out any of the channels that I mentioned in this video, please check the video description below, and I'll have a link to every single channel in all of the videos. Thank you guys so much.